Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today it is Friday. It is May the 24th of 2024, and I'm coming at you guys from Walmart, and I am so excited. These deals are insane. I cannot wait to share them with you guys. We have some crazy awesome deals. This is probably one of the best Walmart, deal videos I've had this year. There's that many awesome deals. Some crazy cheap household deals. Those are my favorite deals to coupon for. And so I'm really excited to share these with you guys. It's gonna be a great video. So got a lot of reset deals and a lot of new deals. So it's gonna be a nice even mixture here. So I'm super excited. So anyways, in the description box below, I got the link to the printable breakdown. You guys can print it out, bring it with you in the store, be on your phone. It's available. Please watch the video. That's what helps me out. That's what allows me to keep doing these videos. But if you don't want to handwrite everything, that's an option. Also, if you guys are not ready to sign up for these rebate apps, get signed up. They're amazing. You will save and make so much money. I have all my referrals in the description to go ahead and do that. So anyways, guys, without further ado, let's just dive right into our Walmart deals for this week. All right, guys, I'm so stoked. This Curad deal is now a freebie at Walmart because the rebate went up. So this is an awesome moneymaker now. So the Curad self-adherent wrap, these are back in the sporting goods. They're not with the first state. It's in the sporting goods section. These guys are $1.97. We have an awesome rebate over on Shopkick now. It's worth $2.26 back. That's 565 kicks between buy it and scans. Makes this free plus a 29-cent moneymaker. So phenomenal deal for the Curad. All right, guys. So an awesome freebie right now on the Oatly oat milk at Walmart. Now be extremely careful because I almost had this mistake happen. The unsweet is not included. So has to be the original ones. They are $4.98 over here at Walmart, and we have an awesome Ibotta offer for $4.98 back. So just gonna make this totally free. So awesome little. All right, so check your Walmart for this super awesome freebie. It's on the Go macro bars. Now my store doesn't carry them, so I'm not sure if it's with the health care by the pharmacy, those bars, or if it's in the breakfast bar area. Just check in your Walmart app. If your store carries it, then you should be able to find out. But they're really good freebies. So they are $8.47, I believe. And we just have a totally free manufacturer's rebate to get this for free. I will have a link in the description to join that rebate. It is limited quantity, so it might run out depending on when you're watching this. Hopefully you can get in on it ASAP and just get it for totally free. Now we do have a rebate on Ibotta for $1 back, but unfortunately this is through sample, and in their terms of use they say you can't combine it with any other offers, so you can't do that. But a freebie, you can't complain about that. So awesome. So I was super excited to see this deal pop back up again over on My Points, Swag Bucks, Inbox Dollars, Ta-Da. This is such a great deal on these little Palmolive dish soaps. So these guys are regularly $1.24, but they're on rollback for 97 cents. So if you do this over on Swag Bucks, Inbox Dollars, or Ta-Da, it's going to be worth 75 cents back. If you do it on My Points, it's going to be worth a little bit more at 81 cents. So it's going to make it 16 cents on My Points, or 23 cents on the others. Phenomenal deal. So great one to grab at Walmart. Guys, I am so excited. We have some awesome laundry detergent deals at Walmart this week. So starting out here on the all free and clear, the 24 load bottle. This is $4.97. I seriously can't believe it costs this much now, but it's $4.97. We aren't paying that much. We have an Ibotta offer. This is even better now. It's $1.50 back. So submit for $1.50 back on Ibotta. And then we have a Shopkick, which is for, let me check my notes, $2.04 back. That's 510 kicks between buy it and scans. No, I'm sorry. It's 635 kicks back. I was looking at the next deal. 635 kicks back. That's 254 back. It's just going to make this 93 cents. Phenomenal deal for the all free and clear. All right, guys. We have some really awesome deals for the Persil brand detergent right now. So first up's on the Persil, the packs, the 16 count. These guys are $5.44 over here at Walmart. We have an Ibotta offer right now. It is for $2 back. And then we do have a Shopkick as well for 510 kicks between buy it and scan kicks. It went up a little bit. So that's $2.04 back. It's going to make this $1.40, which is a really nice deal. But if you want to get the bigger liquid, it has to be the active wear variety only. It's $12.97. We have a $4.50 rebate for this on Ibotta, and then Shopkick has 1,010 kicks back, which is $4.04 for this. So it's going to make it $4.43 for the 50 load size. So really great deals on the Persil over here at Walmart. Before I share with you guys more Walmart deals you can save on your grocery bill, I'm going to tell you about a really cool way to save with online shopping, and that is through this really cool program and also the sponsor of this video, DealSeek. DealSeek is a really, really cool new online website that shows you a bunch of really great deals you can grab online by utilizing coupon codes and getting really awesome deals. Like, this is so, so, so cool. So it's seriously like looking through a Black Friday ad. That's what it feels like, because it's showing you all of these great deals you can grab, the percentage off, and all that fun stuff. You're able to sort through by going through the entire list, or you can go by categories. They have a bunch of different categories on there, so you can like filter out the deals and see what deals you want to grab. A really, really cool one that caught my eye is actually on the shelving unit. It's regularly $99.98, but it's on sale for $49.99. And guys, think stockpiling. That's a really great savings. So let's say you wanted to get this product. So you basically open it up, you click on the listing, and it takes you to this with the promo code. You click copy the promo code, and it'll actually take you directly to the item's listing, which is awesome. You don't have to hunt around for it on the website. It takes you straight to this listing, which is Amazon. And basically, you will just add this to your cart like you would normally on the website. And then when you get to Amazon or whatever, it'll say to enter the promo code. You enter that code, and it takes off the coupon. That easy. Seriously, that was so easy and saved 50%. You're able to look up items. So you guys know me and my love for stationery. So I typed in journals. It brought up a bunch of deals on a bunch of really cool journals and notebooks and pens and stationery things. Anything you'd use with journaling, it pulls up any available deals on that, which is so cool. It's so cool. Like, look at that one. There's 5 notebooks there for $6.64 with a coupon. That's a phenomenal, phenomenal deal. What's so cool is that a lot of these deals are hidden deals. So like the shelving unit, Amazon didn't show a coupon code, but DealSeek was able to use the power of AI to go through all the available coupon codes and do the matchups. Find what items it'll work on and what deals you can get. So guys, this is amazing. I think this is a phenomenal idea. It's totally free. You don't have to pay anything for it. It's a totally free online service. I'll have the link to it in the description. Also, you can sign up for email alerts if you'd like to do that as well. You don't have to use the service, but really cool. Highly recommend. Back to our video. All right, so if you guys tried these a couple of weeks ago when we had our really good deal on these, we have another really good deal, so you can do it again. Or if you've never tried them, it's a great time to try them. So these Toasted's flatbread crackers, they're $3.48 over here at Walmart. Ibotta has a super high value rebate. It's for $2 back. And then Fetch has a rebate for 1,000 points back. Now, depending on which store you get your gift card to, it's going to be worth a little bit more, a little bit less. But assuming you get a $5 Walmart gift card, that's worth 71 cents. So after that, it's going to make these crackers just 77 cents. So a really nice deal for the Toasteds. Next deal we have over here at Walmart, it's on the bubbly burst drinks. These guys are on a rollback for 98 cents, down from that regular price of $1.18. And we do have a 30-cent rebate over on Ibotta, so it's just gonna make these 68 cents. So not too shabby for the bubbly drinks. Next up here, we have an awesome deal on the Safeguard liquid hand soap at Walmart. So these guys are $3.67 each. We have some awesome rebates. So first up, we do have a really good Shopkick rebate. It is for $2.44 back. That's 610 kicks between buy and scans. And then check your Ibotta. You may still have a 50-cent rebate over there. Or if you already redeemed it, you might have it on Walmart Cash, because that's what happened with me. I did it on Ibotta probably a month ago, but I have it on Walmart Cash still, so I can do it over there. So after that, it's just going to make it 73 cents. Phenomenal deal, because this is actually like twice the size of one of the like smaller pumps of soap. So phenomenal. So a really nice deal right now on these guys, the Snickers and the Twix iced coffee drinks. Thanks so much to one of my longtime followers, Kaylee, for DMing me about this deal. This is a really good deal. So they're $2.98. We have $2 back on Ibotta, so just gonna make it 98 cents for these. And yeah, if you're into coffee drinks, that's a really good deal. So nice. Right, so if you can find this at your Walmart, this is a phenomenal moneymaker deal on the Nutella Be Ready, the 2 counts. So both of my local Walmarts are actually clearancing these out. So check your store to see if it's on clearance. For $1.25, we have an awesome Shopkick offer right now for 410 kicks between buy and scans. That's $1.64 back. It's going to make this totally free plus a 39-cent moneymaker. So phenomenal deal if you can find it in stock at your store. This deal keeps resetting here on the macaroni at Walmart. This is such a great deal. So these guys are $1 each. We have a rebate over on Ibotta. It's for 50 cents back. So it makes them 50 cents and it is limit 5. So you can really stock up on these. Or this is even cheaper than the Great Value mac and cheese. It's 58 cents. So phenomenal deal for the macaroni. This is guacana. Cheese balls over here at Walmart. These are over in the deli area. They're $2.96 each, and our Shopkick has now gone up. So it is now worth $2.26 back, 565 kicks between buy it and scans. So just gonna make this 70 cents. Phenomenal price. So a good one to grab this week. All right, guys, we have an awesome deal on this Light Life Tempeh superfood plant-based thing. This is over here in the produce area by like the guacamole, salsa, stuff like that. They have a little plant-based section. These guys are $2.98. We have $2 back on Ibotta, so 98 cents. Phenomenal price. So another awesome deal here on the Beneful wet dog food. Now, we were getting these cheaper a couple of weeks ago when we had the Ibotta offer, but even with just the Shopkick that came back, this is still a phenomenal deal. So the Beneful, these guys are $1.06 over at Walmart. We have a rebate over on Shopkick. It is for, let me check my notes, 105 kicks back between buy it and scans. That's 42 cents. So after that, it makes it 64 cents. Really great deal. New Hidden Heroes pasta sauce is $2.17. We have $1 back on Ibotta, so it's just going to make it $1.17. Phenomenal deal for the ragu. All right, so next up here we have a really great deal. It's on the Pepperidge Farm, the farmhouse variety of bread. There are several different varieties, and there are actually several different rebates for each of the varieties. You can really stock up on these. These guys at Walmart are $3.84 each. We have an awesome rebate over on Shopkick right now. It's for $2.52 back, 630 kicks between buy it and scans. So it's just gonna make it $1.32. So phenomenal deal here for the bread. All right, so next deal here is on a really good one on the Finish Powerball Ultimate tabs. These guys are $4.94 over here at the lovely Walmart. We have a really high value rebate on Ibotta for $3 back. So just gonna make it $1.94. So pretty good deal. Anytime you can get the Finish for under $2, it's decent. So yeah, and like the great value, I assume they have great value. Yeah, $3.78 for 14. So that's a really good price. All right, guys, that's all I have for this Walmart in-store deals video. I really hope y'all did enjoy. We have some phenomenal deals to come over here to Walmart and shop for this weekend. And yeah, guys, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.